In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link items in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to connect two boards so information stays in sync, and you can reference data without copying it around. First, open the board where you want the connection to live. This is your home board, the place where you'll be viewing and managing the linked details. Make sure you have edit permissions on this board, since you'll be adding a new column. On the far right side of your table, find the Add Column button. It usually appears as a plus icon. Click it to open the list of column types. Instead of choosing a standard text or status field, look for the option called Connect Boards. This special column type is what allows items on this board to link to items on another board. Next, choose Select Boards. A panel will open showing the boards you can connect to. Pick the board that holds the items you want to reference. This might be a Central Projects, Clients, or Tasks board, depending on your setup. If you manage a lot of boards, use the search bar to find the exact one you need and confirm you have access to it. After selecting the board, click Connect Boards to apply the connection. This adds the new Connect Boards column to your current board. Think of it as a bridge. Each cell in this column can now point to one or more items on the board you selected, so you can establish relationships without duplicating data. To make the connection even more useful, create a mirror column. Click Create a mirror column when prompted. A mirror column pulls specific fields, like status, date, owner, or numbers, from the linked items and displays them right on your home board. That way, you can see key details at a glance without switching boards. As you or your teammates update the original item, the mirrored value updates automatically, keeping everything aligned. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Give your connect boards and mirror columns clear names so teammates know what they're tied to, and agree on which board is the source of truth for each piece of data. If you don't see the Connect Boards option, check your plan and permissions, as some features may be restricted by workspace settings. That's it. You've opened your board, added a Connect Boards column, selected the board to link, confirmed the connection, and created a mirror column to surface the most important details, all set up for a cleaner, more connected workflow in Monday.com.